I don't know how long I'm gonna take to get there. It's at Patras essentially this very big bridge on the way to Albania. So that was recommended to me by Gigi. He said that I must go there or cross it at least to get to Albania. So that was good. So after that, then I'm gonna be heading to GP Beach in Albania, where I'll be doing some climbing before I head up to Tirana. So roughly speaking, it's about 14 days overall from here in Athens to GP Beach. It's gonna need a lot of time management because my visa will be running out on the 18th of May. So today is 3rd of May, which means I have 15 days to be here in Greece before they kick me out, essentially. "17 kilometers outside of Athens. Now I already see a sports climbing crag. There, I can see like 4 or 5 people already. Now it's tempting. I didn't plan to climb today. So the road on the left is the main highway number 6. So I'm just currently trailing on the side of it. It's more like a service sort of road because all the factories right here on the right hand side. So I just talked to a couple of locals, 4 of them actually. So I've asked whether it's illegal to camp out here. And they said by law it is illegal, but because it's off-season, all of them don't think that anyone's gonna bother. What sort of advice they gave me though is that, you know, if I camp out, then just be so discreet about it and then make no noises, and also just kind of leave everything as is, you know, in terms of littering, making sure that I won't do that. Obviously I won't. I just have to be very, very quiet so that I don't upset any locals. But yeah, having spoken to the guys, they said, yeah, to chill about it. And it's actually quite true, because that's exactly what I've read online. You know, even though wild camping is illegal, what they're saying is no one really bothers so much. They also told me that it's quite off-season. So as you can see, there's a hotel here. And I've checked, I spoke to 2 guys there, They said it's off season, so as you can see, no one is really around. Everything's closed. So what I'm gonna do is literally camp just in front of it, which is this. I can see these two trees. That's gonna be a perfect spot for me. It's a little bit covered, you know.